everybody. This is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am here with my design team package for Inloveartshop. Super excited. And guys, I do have a coupon code, and it is Fury, F-U-R-Y, that if you use this, you can save 25% off of your purchase for over $39, and I would truly appreciate that. So I'm super excited. Got some fun dies that we're going to get to play with. So let's get started. Alrighty, so the first die that I got, we're going to have some Halloween fun this time. And let me see if I can get this open. Maybe, maybe not. Come on, work with me, hands. All right. This first die set is, this first die is actually a trick or treat die. Look how cute. It says trick or treat. And got a little ghost here, little ghosty there. Is that not adorable? Perfect size to put on a memory decks card, an artist trading card. Let's see how big it is. Oh, that would be perfect for an artist trading card. Well, no, it'd be a little bit over, but you might be able to do it that way on an artist trading card because it's right at almost 2 3/4 long. So that would be just a little bit too long, and it's right at 1 inch wide. So super cute. Can't wait to play with that. So that is the trick or treat die. And the next die, yep, you guessed it. We going for the Halloween here, guys. These are the Halloween bat dies, and love these different styles of bats. Look here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bats. Look how cute those are. They're pretty good size too. Look at that. Love those. So these are the Halloween bat dies. Those will look good with the trick or treat dies, don't you think? And ta-da! Yep, I told you. We're going to have some Halloween fun this time, guys. Super excited. This is the Creative Skeleton Halloween theme 3D die. And look, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in this die. Look at the skeleton and then the tombstone, and this has got the little pumpkin. So it's going to be right at 3 inches wide and a little over 4 5/8 inches tall. So it could be a window. Oh, we're going to have some fun figuring this one out, guys. Look how cute. Look how cute. Love the little skeleton. Ain't he stinking cute? So this is the Creative Skeleton Halloween theme 3D die. So we're going to play with this one. Alrighty. And this one is going to be fun. The summer is coming up, guys. Time to do some summer fun. Oh my goodness. Some summer fun. And this is called the 28-piece Summer Beach die kit. And it's all in one die. And it cuts out all of these different pieces in this. How stinking cute is that? Gosh, it's like 6.5 inches wide and 6.5 inches tall. Look at that. Sunglasses, summertime. There's a beach ball, sailboat, a sun. Super cute. I'm anxious to play with this and see what it looks like. Word hot here. A popsicle. Look at that. Look at the little ducky floaty. Beach umbrella. A pineapple. Seashell. Look at this cloud and the snorkel. And there's an ice cream. Super cute. So this is the 28-piece Summer Beach die kit. So we're going to play with that one and see how that cuts out. Now, this next one is called the Spring Flowers and Butterfly Dies. And you know how I love my butterflies. So anytime I can get one that's got a butterfly on it, yeah, I'm going to get it. Look how pretty this is. Now, it looks like the butterfly can be separated from the flowers. So you could, cut this out and then put butterflies all over this beautiful flower branch. Look how pretty this is. It is right at 5 1/8 inches tall, and probably from limb to limb there is almost 4 1/8. Look how pretty that is. That would be gorgeous on a card. Look at that. I'm trying to really get into my card making. Trying to learn and feel comfortable making cards. It's still not one of my favorite things to do because I think cards intimidate me. This die set is called the Summer Word Dies, and it comes with 4 word die sets. And when I'm looking at them, I'm thinking that they will cut into the paper. I'm thinking that's what's going to happen because it doesn't have any edges around it. I bet that's what it does. You'll cut this into the paper, but I will find out and tell you for sure. But you get 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one of them says summer, and this one says sunny. Enjoy summer. Hello, summer. Enjoy the sunny summer. Well, they all say summer. Summer, sun, and fun. So I'm anxious to play with them, because those would be pretty for 3 by 3 cards, I bet you. Because they're like almost 2.5 by 2. So that would be perfect for 3 by 3 cards. So that's what we're going to do on them. We'll make a summer 3 by 3 card set and see how those cut out. I'm ready for summer, you guys. I'm not ready for the sweltering humid heat, but I'm ready for no 20-degree weather too. Now, this die is super cute. This is called the heart-shaped puzzle die. And the heart inside is a puzzle. Let's see here. And I think all of these puzzle pieces will cut out, because that's what it feels like. They'll cut out in the middle. Look how cute that is. And this one is 3 3/8 by 3. So that's a cute heart. I can't wait to cut this out and see how that cuts out. So this is the heart-shaped puzzle die set. And I'm enjoying the 3D projects that I've been doing with them. So we're going to continue on with this. And this is called the Flower and Bird Box Die Set. Look how cute. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And see, you can use these limbs and leaves on anything. There's your bird, and here's your flowers. So we will cut this little, I bet this little box is going to be like a 2 by 2. Bet you. Or maybe a little bit smaller. Let's see. Maybe a little smaller than a 2 by 2. But that'll be a cute little box to play with. So super fun. And I appreciate you hanging with me. We've got 2 more to look at to see what we can get into. So, come on, get in there. All right. So the next die is going to be, this is called the flower cutting die. And it's almost like you could make like a luggage tag out of this. And that's kind of the first thing I thought about. Or you could actually probably do a little shaker too. But this is what it looks like. And you've got like a shadow piece. And then this piece would go over it. You could make a shaker. That would be cute. Love that. Super cute. So it looks like it's going to be right at 2 by 1 3/4. So that'll be a cute little embellishment that you could put on something. Adorable. So this is the floral or flower cutting die. And last but not least, yes please, this is a background spiderweb die. So get your Halloween on, get your Halloween on, get your Halloween on. Woohoo! Super excited. All right. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, this is huge. Look at that beautiful spider web. It is 5.5 by right at 4. Look how cute. Perfect for a background on a card, guys. So thank you all so very much for stopping by and hanging with me. I truly appreciate it. We are going to have some super fun out of these dies from Inloveartshop. And don't forget my coupon. I will leave it down below, and I will leave all the links to these gorgeous dies down there if you're interested. And I'd like to thank Inloveartshop for sending these, and I'm really enjoying everything that they're sending me. Thank you all so much. I truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.